Hi, I'm Susie Garcia and I'm a registered dietitian, and today I'm at Fresh and Easy to talk to you about a very unique superfood which you can actually drink. It's tea, and it's so delicious and so versatile. Green tea has actually been shown in research studies to be a very healthy beverage, and along with white and black tea, it's because it contains antioxidants. And antioxidants are important for fighting cancer, heart disease, and many other illnesses. In addition, you may actually increase your metabolism by drinking tea, and it's a dieter's dream. Brewed tea doesn't have any calories. This tea I brewed and added a few slices of orange and lemon to add a little bit of flavor, and it's absolutely delicious and very easy to prepare. There are also a lot of great pre-packaged teas, and this one in particular is combined with pomegranate, and pomegranate is also considered a superfood because it's high antioxidant content. And all of these teas are a great summertime beverage served over ice for you and your friends and family to enjoy.